Blink twice if you're ready to transform your body in just 60 seconds before bed. No, this isn't trickery. It's the magic of planking. Yes, planking, that simple static exercise that is a powerhouse of benefits. A minute of planking daily can strengthen your core, improve your posture, and even boost your metabolism. Imagine this, you're about to hit the hay, but first you drop to the floor and assume the plank position. Your body tenses, your muscles shake, and you're holding, and there you have it. 1 minute of effort that ripples into a sea of benefits. You wake up feeling stronger, leaner, and ready to take on the world. Now, isn't that a bedtime routine worth trying? So, go ahead, challenge yourself tonight. Trade that minute of scrolling on your phone for a minute of planking and see the magic unfold. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and click the link in the description for more health and fitness advice. What are your thoughts on this 1 minute plank routine? Drop your comments below.